Good afternoon, students. Welcome to you all in chemistry class. Today we are going to revise the topic concentration of solution. Now, what are the various methods to express the concentration of solution? First is mass by mass percentage, and second is mass by volume percentage of solution, and third is volume by volume percentage of solution. Now, what is mass by mass percentage of solution? Yes, Pratham Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. Mass by mass percentage A of solution mean A first is mass of solute
Divided by
into 100.
what is mass by volume percentage of solution? Mass by volume percentage of solution is equal to mass of solute divided by volume of solution 100. Then volume by volume percentage of solution is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. सॉल्व करते हैं न्यूमेरिकल. A solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Calculate concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of solution. Mass of solute कितना given है यहाँ पे? Mass of solute, that is common salt, is equal to 40 gram, and mass of solvent water is equal to 320 gram. Now mass of solution that is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. 40 gram plus 320 gram, ये क्या हो जाएगा? 360 gram, that is mass of solution. Now mass by mass percentage of solution is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution to 100. अब mass of solute कितना? 40 gram, and mass of solution 360. आंसर हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 11.1. Next is a solution contains 35 gram of common salt in 300 gram of water. Calculate mass by mass percentage of solution. Mass of solute जो क्या है? Common salt is equal to 35 gram, and the mass of solvent is equal to 300 gram. Mass of solution, that is mass of mass of solvent. 35 plus 300 is equal to 335 gram. Mass by mass percentage, of solution is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution 100. 35 divided by 335, ये mass of solute और ये mass of solution. Answer is 10.45%. Now next is, a solution contains 5 milliliter of alcohol in 75 milliliter of water. Calculate volume by volume percentage of solution. Now volume of solute जो क्या है alcohol is equal to 5 milliliter, and the volume of solvent 70 milliliter. Now volume of solution is equal to volume of solute plus volume of solvent. 5 plus 70 is equal to 75 milliliter. Volume by volume percentage of solution is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. Volume of solute 5 milliliter and volume of solution 75. Answer is 6.67. Next is, $15 grams of common salt dissolved in water, and the solution was found to be 115 grams. Calculate mass by mass percentage of solution. Mass of solute, that is common salt, is equal to 15 grams. Now, mass of solution यहाँ पे given है, mass of solution. Now mass by mass percentage of solution is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution 100. Solute का mass 15 ग्राम, solution 115 ग्राम, multiply by, answer is 13.04. Now we are going to discuss NCERT back exercise questions. So first is, write the steps you would use for making tea. सबको चाय बनानी आती है ना? ठीक है, अब आप सबने चाय बनाने के स्टेप्स बताने हैं मुझे. And use the words solution, solvent, solute, dissolve, soluble, insoluble, filtrate and residue. अब आप सबने चाय बनानी है, ठीक है, और आपने उसमें ये टर्म्स यूज करनी है जो हम साइंस में टर्म्स यूज करते हैं. हम साइंस पढ़ रहे हैं ना. सॉल्यूशन, सॉल्वेंट, सॉल्यूट, डिसॉल्व, soluble, insoluble, filtrate and residue. Okay, so what are the various steps for making tea? Yes, Kashish, roll number 31, 9 blue.
Ma'am, first we have to take the solvent water.
Okay, take water in the pan. तो आप water के साथ क्या लिख देंगे? Solvent, right?
Then we have to put sugar in the water. Solute.
Okay, sugar solute होगी. Then sugar dissolve हो जाएगी.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, हम heat करेंगे.
It will form.
Yes, heat
It will
boil.
form sugar. Sugar solution will be formed.
Okay, then
And then we have to put some soft or cardamom,
okay,
cloves,
okay.
and tea leaves.
Kashish. Next हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? टी लीव्स. टी लीव्स सोल्यूबल होते हैं कि इनसोल्यूबल होते हैं?
Insoluble.
Insoluble. Then heat to boil. Then add milk. मिल्क यहाँ पे क्या होगा? सोल्यूट की सॉल्वेंट?
Solute.
Sugar, tea leaves, milk, these are solute, and water क्या हो गया? Solvent. Now heat it to boil for 2 minutes. The next step bete.
Then there will be boil coming and the tea will be formed.
Filter the boiling solution.
Filter, stain the solution, and then the residue will be left on the stain.
Leaves as a residue. ठीक है? And a tea जो आपने ready कर लिया मेरे लिए, that is collected as a filtrate. अब देखिए सारी टर्म यूज होगी इसमें. Solution, solvent, solute, dissolve, soluble, sugar soluble है. टी लीव्स insoluble है. और जो आपके लिए कप चाय का रेडी हो गया वो क्या है? फिल्ट्रेट. और जो बच गए ऊपर स्ट्रेनर के ऊपर, दैट इज रेजिड्यू. दिस इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next NCERT questions. Question number 3. Pragya tested the solubility of different substances at different temperature. और उसने क्या नोट किया? solubility किसमें? 100 ग्राम. 100 gram of water to form saturated solution. Now सब्सटेंस कौन से डिसॉल्व किए? पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट 100 ग्राम वाटर में, और उसको अलग अलग टेम्परेचर पे नोट किया गया कि अगर टेम्परेचर 283 केल्विन है तो 21 ग्राम 100 ग्राम में प्रज्ञा डिसॉल्व कर पा रही है पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट को. एट 293 केल्विन प्रज्ञा 32 ग्राम डिसॉल्व कर पा रही है पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट इन 100 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर टू फॉर्म द सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. Then at 313 Kelvin 62 gram, 33 Kelvin पे 106 gram and 353 Kelvin पे प्रज्ञा पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट जो डिसॉल्व कर पा रही है, that is 167 gram in 100 gram of water to form saturated solution. अब नेक्स्ट प्रज्ञा ने डिसॉल्व किसको किया? सोडियम क्लोराइड को. किसमें? 100 ग्राम वाटर में टू फॉर्म सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर्स पे. 283 केल्विन पे प्रज्ञा कितना डिसॉल्व कर पाई? 36 ग्राम. 293 पे 36 ग्राम, 313 केल्विन पे 36 ग्राम, 33 केल्विन पे 37 ग्राम एंड 353 केल्विन पे 37 ग्राम. अब देखिए यहाँ पे जो सोडियम क्लोराइड 100 ग्राम वाटर में हम डिसॉल्व करते जा रहे हैं टू फॉर्म सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन एट डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर, वो ऑलमोस्ट क्या है? कांस्टेंट है. 36 36 36 36 36. टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करते जा रहे हैं लेकिन हम सोडियम क्लोराइड का जो अमाउंट डिसॉल्व कर रहे हैं वो ऑलमोस्ट क्या है? कांस्टेंट ही है. और पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट में टेम्परेचर जब इंक्रीज करते जा रहे हैं तो जो सोल्युबिलिटी है वो भी क्या हो रही है? इंक्रीज. 283 केल्विन पे प्रज्ञा 100 ग्राम वाटर में 21 ग्राम सोडियम पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट डिसॉल्व कर पा रही है. लेकिन जब टेम्परेचर 353 केल्विन है तो वो 100 ग्राम वाटर में कितना पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट डिसॉल्व करवा पा रही है, 167 ग्राम टू फॉर्म सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन। इट मींस पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट की जो सोल्युबिलिटी है वो क्या होती जा रही है टेम्परेचर के साथ इंक्रीज, और सोडियम क्लोराइड की ऑलमोस्ट क्या है, कांस्टेंट। नेक्स्ट पोटेशियम क्लोराइड 35 ग्राम 40 46 54, ओके, इंक्रीज हो रही है सोल्युबिलिटी विद इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर। देन अमोनियम क्लोराइड 24 37 41 55 66, ये भी सोल्युबिलिटी विद टेम्परेचर क्या हो रही है, इंक्रीज हो रही है। Now, what mass of potassium nitrate would be needed to produce saturated solution of potassium nitrate in 50 gram of water at 313 Kelvin? What mass of potassium nitrate would be needed to produce saturated solution of potassium nitrate in 50 gram of water at 313 Kelvin? Now, potassium nitrate here, okay, this potassium nitrate here 313 Kelvin. 313 Kelvin पे potassium nitrate हम कितना डिसॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं, 62 ग्राम। It is 62 gram in 100 gram of water. Now, 100 gram water में potassium nitrate सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन बनाने के लिए कितना डिसॉल्व करते हैं, 62 ग्राम। Now, what mass of potassium nitrate would be needed to produce saturated solution in 50 gram of water at 313 Kelvin? Yes. Okay, Prab Meher.
Ma'am, 31 gram.
Okay, very good. Now answer is 31 gram. 100 gram, 62 gram potassium nitrate, 50 gram, 31 gram. Very good, Vijay. 100 gram, 62 gram potassium nitrate, 50 gram, 31 gram. Very good, Vijay. Answer is
31 gram.
31 gram.
answer is 31 gram. Right. Next, Pragya makes a saturated solution of potassium chloride in water at 353 Kelvin and leave the solution to cool at room temperature. What would she observe as the solution cools? Explain. Okay, Parneet, roll number 5.
As the solution will cool down, the potassium chloride will turn into solid and crystals of potassium chloride will be formed.
Very good. Crystals of potassium chloride will be formed. Okay, good. Next is find the solubility of each salt at 293 Kelvin. Solubility of each salt at 293 Kelvin. And which salt has the highest solubility at this temperature? Yes, Narinder Kaur.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ammonium chloride has the highest solubility.
अमोनियम क्लोराइड की सोल्युबिलिटी सबसे ज्यादा है। पहले बेटे आपने बताना है सोल्युबिलिटी ऑफ ईच सॉल्ट, दैट इज पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट, सोडियम क्लोराइड, पोटेशियम क्लोराइड, अमोनियम क्लोराइड एट 293 केल्विन. दिस इज 293 केल्विन. Solubility of potassium nitrate at 293 Kelvin, 32 gram. Sodium chloride, 36 gram. Potassium chloride, 35 gram. Ammonium chloride, 37 gram. और highest solubility किसकी है? Ammonium chloride. That is 37 gram in 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin. Now, what is the effect of change of temperature on solubility of salt? What is the effect of change of temperature on the solubility of salt? Yes, Pratham Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. The through an mean temperature of solution.
में देखिए कि टेम्परेचर के साथ so solubility with temperature. अब जो सब केस में इंक्रीज हो रहा है, solubility increases with increase in temperature, right? Collides and suspension. Yes. Yes, Ridhya Sharma, row number 20.
solution which a particular solute cannot be dissolved more in a particular solution at a given temperature.
Yes, and the pure substance is a substance which contain only one type of particle.
And what is colloid and suspension?
Ma'am, a colloid is the size of solute particles are bigger than that of a solution, and they cannot be seen with the naked eyes, and they are also stable. And yes, ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Vache, what is suspension?
Ma'am, suspension is the substance which is heterogeneous mixture, and solute particles are very big and they settle down also. They are unstable solution.
Salil Manan. Explain colloids and suspension with example.
Yes, ma'am.
Example.
Ma'am, suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve and remain suspended throughout, and they are visible with the naked eyes.
Yes, Salil Manan.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta. Anshika. Colloids.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a colloid is a solution in which the size of solute particle are big than of true solution. These particles cannot be seen with our naked eyes, and these particles are stable. For example, blood.
Okay. Then suspension. Anshika.
Ma'am, it is a heterogeneous mixture in which a solute particles are big enough to settle down, and these particles are unstable, and ma'am, they can be seen by our naked eyes.
Next is classify each of the given as a homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Classify as homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture: soda water, wood, air, soil, vinegar, and filtered tea. Soda water is homogeneous or heterogeneous?
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous. Very good. And wood?
Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous.
Then the next is
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous.
yes. अगर यहाँ पे pollution है तो वो heterogeneous mixture है. Okay. Then soil.
Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous.
Yes. Very good. Then vinegar.
Homogeneous.
Next.
Filtered tea.
Filtered tea.
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous. Very good, beta. Next, confirm that colorless liquid given to you is a pure water. Colorless liquid given to you is a pure water. What is the boiling point of water? 100 degree.
Ma'am, 100
Celsius.
373 Kelvin. If the boiling point of the given liquid comes out to be 373 Kelvin, that is 100 degrees C, at 1 atmospheric pressure, then the given colorless liquid is pure water. Okay. Now next is, which of the given materials is a pure substance? Pure substance means element and compound. Element and compound. Now, which of the given material is in the category of pure substance? First, Anshika. Yes, beta, pure substance. First, ice is pure.
Yes. Ma'am, pure.
Okay, good. Then milk. Kashika Sharma. Kashika.
Ma'am, not pure.
Not pure. Very good. Then iron. Kashish, roll number 31.
Pure.
Then hydrochloric acid. Pratham Kumar.
Ma'am, hydrochloric acid is a pure substance.
No, but it is not a pure substance. It's a mixture of hydrogen chloride gas and water. Calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, प्रब में है.
Yes, ma'am, it is pure.
It's a pure substance. Then mercury. Yes, प्रब में है.
Ma'am, pure.
Mercury is also a pure substance. Then brick. परनीत कौर आप बताएंगे.
Brick is not a pure substance.
Then wood, परनीत.
Wood is also not a pure substance.
Then the last turn is Shrey. Shrey, roll number 39.
Yes, ma'am. It is not pure.
Yes, it is not pure. Okay. Now next is
Identify the solutions among the following mixtures:
answer is
soil, air, soda water, seawater, and coal. Seawater and soda water are solutions.
Ma'am, air is also solution.
yes, yes. Ritu. Then the next turn, Shrey, roll number 39. Question number 9. Which of the given will show an effect?
Milk and B and D. Milk and starch solution.
Milk and starch solution, salt solution, copper sulfate solution, ये true solution है. इनमें Tyndall effect नहीं होता. Next, classify them as element, compound, and mixture. Element, compound, and mixture. First is sodium. Sodium element है, compound है कि mixture है?
Element.
Element. And soil?
Mixture.
Soil is
Mixture.
Then the next, sugar solution.
Mixture.
Mixture.
Silver,
Element.
Element.
calcium carbonate.
Compound.
Compound.
Very good. Tin,
Element.
Element.
element. Silicon,
Element.
silicon element. Okay. Next, coal.
Mixture.
Mixture.
इसके बाद यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है?
Air.
Air.
Mixture.
Mixture.
Very good. Soap,
Mixture.
Mixture.
methane. Methane होता है बेटे CH.
Compound.
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 Compound. Carbon dioxide.
Compound.
Next, blood. Blood is
Mixture.
Mixture.
very